Want to add stunning videos to your Webflow site but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it in the simplest way possible. No complicated jargon, just clear, easy to follow instructions. Whether you want to add a sleek background video, embed a video in a specific section, or work with videos in Webflow CMS, I have got you covered. First up, let's add a video that plays right in the background. First, log into your Webflow account. And if you're not logged in yet, use my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel and keeps me motivated to share more advanced Webflow tutorials that benefit you. Now open the project where you want to add a video. For instance, I used our Filmoflow Webflow template, which is perfect for an AI video generator website. If you're interested, you can grab it from the link in my description. We can now replace the image with a background video, which is a great option for showcasing the AI avatar. Simply click on the image, press Ctrl+K, search for video and select background video. Upload the desired video and you're all set. Once the video is uploaded, click on the image again and press the delete button. Your video will be applied. It's that simple. This video perfectly matches the vibe of the template. Really cool. Now let's see how to add video to a particular section. Here, you can see a section labeled text to video with a design that represents it. But what if you want to add your YouTube channel video explaining how to do it? I'll show you how. Simply click on the image, press Ctrl+K, search for the video, enter the URL and hit enter. Then delete the image and there you have it. An engaging YouTube video that captures your client's attention and redirects them to your channel. Now let's say you have a various page like this where you want each page to have a video. Instead of manually adding videos to every page, we'll use the Webflow CMS to do the heavy lifting by using the embed video in CMS by field method. First, head over to the CMS panel on the left and select the collection where you want to add videos. If you don't have one yet, create a new collection. Next, click Add Field. Choose Video and name it something like video link or link and save it. This is where each video URL will be stored. Now open any CMS item, paste a YouTube or Vimeo link into the video field and save it. Do this for every item that needs a video. If you want to include a video link in the content, simply go to the desired location, click the plus symbol, add link and then save it. Next, go to the collection template page, drag a video element onto the design and click Get Video. Select the field you created and Webflow will dynamically display the right video for each CMS item. And there you have it. Really simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any future tutorials. And if you're new to Webflow and thinking about logging in, I'd really appreciate it if you used my affiliate link in the description. It's a great way to support the channel and keeps me motivated to share more advanced Webflow tips. Oh, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you've got any questions. Let's make your Webflow site awesome.